Master the art of making polite offers in English. Hello there, English language learners. In today's video, we are going to delve deep into the world of modal verbs. Specifically, we are focusing on making polite offers using a very common phrase in English. Do you want me to? This powerful sentence structure can help you make offers in a friendly, considerate, and polite manner, which is especially useful in professional and formal situations. First off, let's understand what we mean by, "Do you want me to?" This phrase is used to propose help or offer to do something for someone. It's a way of saying that you're available and willing to assist or take action, if the other person wants you to. An example could be, "Do you want me to make a cup of tea for you?" Here, you are offering to make a cup of tea, but you're also politely asking the person if they want that to happen. Using the phrase, "Do you want me to?" is quite straightforward. You simply start the sentence with this phrase, and then follow it with the action you're offering to do. Here are a few examples. Do you want me to open the window? Do you want me to call a taxi? Do you want me to review your work? Notice that the action that follows the phrase, "Do you want me to?" is always in the base form. That's because we are talking about a hypothetical situation, not a fact or something that has already happened. Just as important as knowing how to make an offer with, "Do you want me to?" is understanding how to respond to such an offer. When someone asks, "Do you want me to?" they are making an offer and looking for your response. You could either accept or decline the offer. To accept the offer, you could say, "Yes, please," or "That would be great. Thank you." To decline politely, you could say, "No, thank you," or "That's all right. I can handle it." And that's it. You now know how to make polite offers using the phrase, "Do you want me to?" This phrase is a wonderful tool to express your willingness to help others in a polite and considerate way. Practice using it in your daily conversations and you'll notice how it enhances your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.